The women welfare organisation Seiñraij Jowai, in collaboration with the Assam Don Bosco University with technical support from UNICEF, yesterday organised a community awareness program on COVID-19, CAB and routine immunisation at Lumpardi Yongphya Community Hall. The awareness program was to enlighten the community that COVID vaccination is one way to prevent the spread of the disease, with the help and support from the government and other health benefits on motherhood. The advisor, Women Welfare Organisation Seiñraij Jowai, Y.E. Sumer, in her key address informed that the organisation has indulged with communities to spread awareness over the last 2 years. Sumki Degum informed about the various projects and their ways of functioning to strengthen social mobilization for C19 RCCE and other SBCC priorities through engagement with CSOs, CBOs, FBOs and academic institutions in Bodoland Territorial Region, Assam and the 7 northeastern states.
Climate change and environment sustainability as well.
In its traditional gesture of inspiring, recognizing